All right, welcome, guys. So, I have this strategy I want to share with you guys. I used this same strategy to give signal on crash 500 today, and we've smashed our TP. We just smashed our TP, though I still have some position running. All right, we just smashed our TP. I still have some position, and this is my target somewhere here around this level. That's my target. I want to make like $50 or more with one on one position. Okay, so I still have some positions I'm holding, like five of them to this point. We smashed TP. Our TP was just here. If you see market started changing direction, our TP was just around here. Yeah, 4246 level, 4246 level. So we just smashed our TP, and we we are expecting more signals on. I'm expecting signal on 100 150. Yeah, I'm hoping to sell 100 150. Hopefully it gets back to our supply zone somewhere here for us to short it all the way down. So I want to share this strategy with you guys and show you guys everything you need to know. You have to do so as to trade just like I'm trading. Okay, so please smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and make sure you drop some good comments. Check the free Telegram. Check the description box to join the free Telegram channel. All right, let's make money. So you can see it's still spiking. It will keep spiking till it gets to that my point, because this is a strong level on the chart. I'll explain why I think it's a strong level on the chart. I explain very well why I think it's a strong level on the chart. It's likely getting down to this point. This point. Yo, guys, you need to join the free Telegram channel. You need to check us out, see what we're doing, bro. People are making money. This December gonna be dirty. People are really making good money. People are making good money in the VIP room, the academy. They are doing well. Okay, so if you want to benefit from this, we have the discount that is running, special discount that is running right now for you to have lifetime access to the platform. All right, so check the description box for my link to join the free Telegram channel and chat me up if you have any challenge at all. Let's work together and grow together. All right, so now this strategy, I gave this strategy today, this signal today, using this same strategy, right? And like I said, we smashed our TP. Let me show you what you need to know. All right. So, first thing I want to tell you guys, you have to keep trading. You know, your broker knows trading is a psychological game. All right. It's a mindset thing. So if you don't have a sound mindset, if you don't check your psychology very well, you lose. Even when you know, even when you have a working strategy, you still lose. That's why you see some people will use the same strategy and they are not making money. Others are using the same strategy and they are making good money from the market. So what this means is that sometimes you're being distracted by maybe financial, family issue, relationship, and stuff like that, and maybe you there are so many factors that affect our trading. Okay, that causes this psychological issues, problems. Okay, so it could be your poor risk management and stuff like that. So if you can keep it very simple, forget about whatever problem you're having in your home, your relationship, put it aside and understand that this is another business, this is another world. Now, what I'm saying that your broker knows this, you see your broker keep adding, like now we now have step index, we now have step index. Look at that. We now have step index 100, 200, 300, 400, and 500. Why? We have jump. If you check jumps, we have jumps. Before we did not have crash 600 and 300. Right? They just added those ones. Now, what are they doing? What they are trying to distract you, because they know the more you're distracted, the more you're making mistakes, the more you're losing. So the idea is for you to lose money, for you to be distracted. So if you can keep it very simple, keep it very simple. Keep it very simple. Whatever strategy you're trading should not be complicated. It should be very simple strategy. And this is one thing about trading. If you're buying from a certain level, once market get to a certain price, you're buying from that price to another price, depending. You must allow market to get to that point. If it does not get to that point, you don't take the trade because you have a strategy. You need to work on your strategy. Now, I'll show you guys the strategy, but this is more important. Now, if you have, let's say you have $200 and you want to risk this $200, instead of to risk everything, why don't you put $20 on your MT5, here on your MT5, they push $180 to your back end, to your wallet, all right, Deriv wallet. You take a trade with $20. Now, this is what you do. If you have $20 to trade, what I'm saying, you should not put everything. Even if you say you want to risk $20, you adjust your SL. Sometimes you might be moved. Remember, it's a psychological game. You might be moved to risk more, hoping that you'll make more. Like when I enter this trade, I think it will spike more. So what if I open 20 positions instead of just 2 positions? If I open 20 positions, I will make more money. Now, if I open 20 positions and it gives me this little drawdown, do you know I'll blow my account out? I'll blow my account, bro. Our account will be blown. Just this little move from here to here. So now, if I have only $20 on my account here, on my MT5, what I would do would be risking just $20. Now, this is how you risk $20. Now, let's say this is where we want to put our SL, just above that price. Okay, that's where you want to put your SL. So now you're using 0.5 lot size. Let's see, 0.5 lot size from your entry to this place takes you $9, call it $10, right? So now that means you're risking two trades. You're opening two positions because you know where your SL should be. You're opening two positions. You don't have to risk more. Why? Because so that if market is going against you, if market is going to this point, you'll be able to, before you get to this point, you know that this the level that market is likely to spike from, or once market passes this zone, it will start going, it's likely not coming back again or selling again. So you need to put your SL here. Make sure that you have $20, then you're opening two positions, which is 9 point something cents each position. So which gives you almost roughly $20. So you're opening two positions. And when you open two positions, this stuff is like a game. Now we open two positions, you might lose, you might win, because it's buy or sell. It's either you buy or you sell. You might buy and it goes down, you sell and it goes up. So now you're risking $20. Now you've opened two positions. What will make you profitable will be your risk to reward ratio. My students, they are aware of this psychology. We talk about risk management, trade management, money management. All right. So if you want to be successful, your strategy is not enough. Your ad indicators on your chart is not enough. You need this psychological, knowledge to be. You need to be aware of what you're doing, really. So now, $20. What you need to do, anything that keeps you profitable. I don't have enough time. The only thing that can keep you profitable is if you can hold a position for a longer time. This is your entry. Remember, you're about to lose. Let me do it like this. You're about to lose $9. Okay. Then your target should be here, like where I targeted. All right. This is your target. Now, you're losing $10 to make $30. If you open two positions, that means you make $60. That means you risk $20. That is 1:3 risk to reward ratio. You're risking $20 to make $60. $20 to make $60. So that means if you make $60, all right, if you make $60 here, you make $60, your profits will now be $40 profit. You're up. Then you take another trade and you risk $20. You lose that trade. You are still $20 in profit. You're in $20 profit. Do you understand? Then you might take another trade. You risk the same $20 to target the same $60. You'll be up $40 plus the previous $20. That's $60, bro. That's the game. But if you keep doing it blindly because you think you have a strategy, because you met your mentor and he told you to buy and sell, you're losing money. You think you have a strategy, you still keep losing money. So that's why I keep telling you guys, you don't have to. It's not just about strategy, it's about psychology. If you want to grow, if you want to hear more, know more about this, join the free Telegram channel, chat me up, and join the academy. Let's make money. My academy fee comes with, once you pay the fee, it's very cheap. It comes with my lifetime VIP signal. Okay, I'll teach you all everything you need to know. You see, your life gonna change in a very short period of time. You don't even need too much strategy. You don't even need too much tools on your charts. Just make it very simple and profitable. All right. So back to our strategy. Please, if you've learned something now, just smash the like button, bro. Drop some good comments. So back to our strategy. This is Crash 500. So Crash 500, this is a downtrend. We are in a downtrend on Crash 500. We are in a downtrend on Crash 500. This is a downtrend. Yeah, I know you've seen market breaking. This level has been broken. Market broke this level. Market broke this level. That's fine. But one thing you need to know is that sometimes market breaks that level because this is a zone on our chart. This is a zone. This level here, this is a zone on our chart. Okay, where once market get to this zone, this area, this is an area. Okay, once market get to this area, it can decide to react around within this area. Sometimes it can decide to start selling few pipettes before that very point, or it goes above that point before selling, or sometimes just at the point. Okay, so now once you understand that this is an area on your chart where market is likely to react from, you understand that it's likely breaking this level, and then it will start selling. So exactly what happened. I saw market broke this zone, and I know that it will be selling again. Why? Because I have this structure here. I have this structure here. Know that market is likely to come in again. So I waited for market to see if it could lose some momentum. So I waited for the momentum. Market started losing momentum, and I quickly take advantage. Now on the 4 hours time frame, this is a supply zone. This is our supply zone here. This is an area, supply area on the 4 hours time frame. All right. Then on the 1 hour time frame, I want to see markets losing momentum. All right. So you need to do back testing to understand this stuff very well, guys. Now, I'll look at my 1 hour time frame. I saw this first candlestick, the green candlestick. You can see that green candlestick that went up and rejected, okay, and closed somehow at that very red, the first break, red line here. Then the second candlestick went up and rejected and closed the way it is now. Doji closed a doji, and the third candlestick went up and rejected as well. After rejecting, I knew that we don't longer have more buyers. Sellers are stepping into the market. That's the information you need to know. You need, all right? My trading, once you learn with me, it's very simple to understand what is happening in the market. All right, so now I know that we now have more sellers than buyers because we had these 3 rejections. Now I waited for market to drop in. Once the market dropped in, I gave the call. Market started rejecting, then closed. Before you know it, the fourth candlestick printed, and since then we've been in good profit till this point. Till we smash our TP. All right, we smashed our TP. Now, another thing is that you know that markets will want to come back to fill this level or this imbalance that's been dropping, fair value gap. Markets will want to come back again to refill this space or this imbalance, okay? So knowing that, you wait for market to come back and do just that. So as simple as that, bro. We have few stuff you need to know. Once you know those things with your psychology, with sound psychology mindset, you win in trading. You can use $20, $10, even $5 to do some wonders in the market when you have a good psychology. All right. So yeah, you know the market will come back to fill this place before going up again. Yeah, this looks like maybe market started giving us bullish push because we had this first move around this level. this structure here. Just had this structure here before the final move bit. I still believe that it's likely to break this place and start coming in again. So I will wait patiently and see if markets will break this level and start coming down to this point again. If it does, then I will be selling after a break of this zone. Okay, I'll be selling after the break of that zone. So it's pretty simple for you to understand with the few points I've made. You'll be able to tell that okay, when market get to a certain level, it will definitely reverse and give you your money. All right. So now you can see me holding this trade for a longer time because I want to do my 1:5, 1:8 risk to reward ratio. So even if I lose another trade, I'll still be in profit. That's one thing about my group, my VIP. Even if you lose a trade, and you make the other trade, you win the other trade, you still be in good profit. All right, so that's how to trade. That'll be all for now, guys. Smash the like button, show some love. The message is right here. Bye bye.